Who brought in a dog in my class? I said, who brought in a dog in my class? Nobody wants to say something? Who brought in a dog in my class? Oh, you. You are the dog. Come out. Shut up! Kneel down! First class! Look at your head! Idiot! Shut up! Dog! Pure! Legal! You will chop shit! Because I cannot dog chop shit! Okay, Shimita! Now, since you're a dog, back like a dog. Have you seen a bulldog before? Now back like a bulldog. Shut up! Have you seen a goat before? Now bleed like a goat. Have you seen an Hausa goat before? Now bleed like an Hausa goat. Now crow like a cock. That's okay. Now crow like a cock when it's 12 o'clock.